Have you noticed something strange? All day you feel busy or distracted, but the moment you lie down at night, your mind won't stop thinking. Thoughts race, memories replay, worries grow louder. In this video, we'll explain why you overthink at night, what's happening inside the brain after dark, and how psychology and neuroscience explain this mental noise in simple, easy language. Why overthinking gets worse at night. Overthinking doesn't suddenly appear at night. It builds up during the day. At night, external distractions reduce, the mind turns inward, unprocessed thoughts surface. The brain finally has silence and it fills it with unfinished mental tasks. The role of the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex controls thinking, planning, and self-control. At night, it becomes tired. Logical filtering weakens. Emotional thoughts feel stronger. This makes worries feel bigger and harder to control. Amygdala and emotional memory. The amygdala processes fear and emotional memories. In darkness and fatigue, the amygdala becomes more active. Negative memories replay easily. Anxiety increases. That's why nighttime thoughts often feel heavier than daytime thoughts. Stress hormones and cortisol. If you're stressed during the day, cortisol stays high. At night, cortisol delays relaxation. The nervous system stays alert. The brain stays in survival mode. A brain that feels unsafe cannot switch off. Dopamine drop and mental noise. During the day, dopamine keeps you engaged. At night, dopamine levels drop. Motivation fades. The mind looks for stimulation. This can turn into scrolling, rumination, or endless thinking. Why silence feels loud at night. The brain dislikes unresolved issues. When there's no noise, the brain replays conversations. Regrets surface. Future worries appear. This is called default mode network activation, the brain's inner chatter system. Overthinking versus problem solving. Overthinking feels productive, but it isn't. Problem solving leads to action. Overthinking repeats the same thoughts, increases anxiety, exhausts the brain. At night, the brain lacks energy to solve, so it loops. Psychology-based ways to calm night overthinking. You don't need to force sleep. Calm the brain first. Write thoughts down before bed. Reduce screen exposure. Create a predictable night routine. Breathe slowly to signal safety. Accept thoughts instead of fighting them. Safety tells the brain it can rest. Why this matters for mental health? Night overthinking is linked to anxiety disorders, depression, insomnia, and burnout. Understanding it removes self-blame and restores control. To summarize, overthinking at night is a tired brain response. Emotional systems become louder after dark. Stress and cortisol keep the mind alert. Safety and routine calm racing thoughts. You're not weak, your brain is trying to protect you. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to PsycAcademy, comment, what do you overthink about at night? Understanding your mind is the first step to resting it.